Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username on the TikTok app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So you won't want to miss that. Without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open the TikTok app. Here it opens up in the home menu showing funny videos, but we have to go into the profile menu. And in the profile menu, there is an edit profile button. We have to tap on that. And here, if you just, on the top, if you tap on the username, you can change your username however you like. But it's time limited, only every 30 days you can change it. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.